Welcome to ItzRafiq. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can apply CSS to the list. First, I am creating a list of some items. For that, first I am writing a heading tag h1 and here example of list. You can see here and on that browser window example of list appears. Now I am going to create a list which will have 5 elements. For that, in VS Code I will type li, then opening bracket, this bracket. After that, in bracket, as I will have 5 elements, so I will write in li into 5. After hit enter, I will get 5 elements. Now here I am writing some color name, red, then green, then blue, then yellow, then purple. Now I want to change the style of the list. Oh sorry, it should be UL. Let's do it again. We will write UL, then in bracket we will write li, then multiply sign, and how many times we want to repeat the list. Suppose I want to repeat 5 times, so 5. So as you see, there 5 elements appears. Now inside that I am giving some colors name, red, green, blue, yellow and purple. Now I want to change the bulleted point of the list. For that we will define a class here. For that there is a reason, because sometimes our page might have multiple lists. So if I directly apply the CSS style on the UL only, then that particular style will apply to all the UL tags. So we will define a class in CSS. For that we will write dot and the name I am giving as list only and bracket. Now first I will change the bulleted point of the list. For that I will write list style type, and here we have some options like Armenian, circle, decimal, dix, lower, Latin, Roman, none, square, symbols, upper Roman, calc, inherit. So from there I am taking circle. When I am taking circle, you will see on the browser window the list style will be changed, but I have written here circle. You might notice that on the browser nothing changes happens because I have not written the class inside the UL tag. So after UL we will give class, then equal, we will write the class name. The class name is list. Now you will see the bulleted point of the list is changed. Again, if you want to put some other style, you can just have the styles from here. Let put as Latin. I think Latin is there, upper Latin. So if we put the number as Latin, it will come as A B C D E, and if we put lower Latin, then it will come small ABC. And some more styles are there. Armenian, if we take Armenian, the numbering will be in Armenian, and some other also there. Let us try. Georgian is there, Georgian, then the numbering will be this way, means in Georgian language. And let's see some other. Decimal, if we give decimal, then the numbers will come as 1 2 3, and one more is there, decimals one only. Decimal leading 0 means it will come like 0 1 0 2 like that. As you can see here, 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 5. Now for the list items, for coloring the list items, we can have this class means inside the class only we'll make one section. So we'll write list. Inside the list we want to style for the li item, means child elements. When we want to do style for the child element, we do write that directly. We write the class or the style name, property name. After that we give a arrow sign, then we write the particular nested tag name. We are doing style for the li, so I am writing li here. Now at first I am changing the color, so I will write color, then I am giving the color is blue violet. As you can see, the color changes into blue violet. We can have some other color also. There are some colors I am taking is red. You can see the list color is changed into red. Now sometimes suppose I need one particular color in red and one in blue, red, blue, like that. How we will do that? For that we can use and child option of the list, and we can have some more options here. Like suppose I want underline in the list, we can have this text decoration. We can have this one underline. If we give text decoration underline on its item, you will get a underline point, and some more are there. Let's see here, overline, then we'll get the line above. And if we give wavy, then we'll get a wavy line. I think it's not supported in ads, so this line doesn't appear. And more are there, line through, then we'll get a stripe. And double, then we'll get double line on its item. That is also not supported here. So this way we can play with the text. Now let's see how we can give color to odd and even elements. For that we'll write li, then we'll put a hash symbol, then we will write and and child, this one, and child. Here I will write odd. You see, only the odd children's color changed, means odd numbers 1, 3 and 5. Now if we want to do for the same thing for even, we will copy this part and paste in the next line, and we will just change the color name. I am changing the color into blue, but nothing happens. Just color change to blue for the odd one only, because it is still odd. We will make it even. Now you see, one item is in red color, one item is in green color, or sorry, blue color. This way we can do decoration to the list. Now when we hand over the items, if we want to change the color, for that we can do this CSS style. First we'll write the class name list, then inside we will do for li tag, for that we will write li, and we will do for hover, so we will write hover. In hover we will give the style as text decoration. I am giving as underline. Now when I will have I will hover any item on the list, you will see a underline sign. As you can see on the screen, when I am hovering any item, the text, we will get a underline at bottom of the text. And even we can change the color also. For that just we will use color attribute, color property of list item. So color I am giving here let's see what happens. Nothing happens, so let's cut this option. Here I am color giving as what color will be good? Pink. So this is the style. Now you see when I'm hovering, the color changes into pink, which is very difficult to identify. So let's change the color and put some dark color. I am giving the color now as orange. Now you see the color changes into orange. So this way we can put different styles to our list, and even we may have other options also for the list that we can learn in some other video. I hope you have understood how we can put styles to a list without writing any attributes inside the ul tag or ol tag. Like as we have defined, this is unordered list, but you can see we put here number instead of bulleted because we have used CSS. And even we can display the items in one single line. For this just we will have to write under the list display, then we will write flags. Then you will see the lines appear in single line, but as the line is shorter, that's why it's overlap the single line. We can have some other option, flags, wrap, and we will write wrap. Or we can have other option also with the list. So display, we can give block, it will be like that only, and we can give grid, it will be similar style, flex box, and it will have the similar style. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.